start करो. Yes, student, some more laws of gases. Fourth one is what? Gay-Lussac's law. Okay, it shows the pressure temperature relation. Okay, according to Gay-Lussac's law, at constant volume, that is now here we have to keep constant the volume and also number of mole. Okay, the temperature of the gas is directly proportional to pressure, or you can say the pressure of gas is directly proportional to temperature. How it is possible? Suppose in a vessel, if you fill a known amount of gas at temperature what? T1, and let its initial pressure was what? P1. So if the more temperature is increases by giving external heat, then what? The gaseous molecule will absorb the temperature, therefore their motion will increase. If their kinetic motion will increase, then they will collide more with the wall of the container, and if it will collide more with the wall of container, then they will exert the more pressure. That is what? As greater the temperature, more will be the pressure. Are you getting? Like here, suppose if in a balloon there is a air at fixed temperature, if we start increasing the temperature, it will start more swell up. It is due to what? The pressure will increase, and the balloon, being its wall is not isolated, that is it can expand, therefore its volume is increases. But if its volume is also kept constant, then there is no chances of increase in the volume but increase in the pressure. Okay, so being the volume is not increases, therefore the pressure is getting increases. Are you getting? This is also applied in tire and tube. If the temperature at the summer day increases, then the pressure is getting increases, but there is no space in the tube to which it get expand its volume, therefore it gets bursted due to high pressure. Getting? Next law is, this is called Avogadro's law. We have seen this law during the mole concept. Okay, what? Volume amount relationship, that is what? V, and amount, that is number of mole relationship. Getting? It states that equal volume of all gases, irrespective of it is lighter or heavier. So equal volume of all gases under the same conditions of temperature and pressure contains equal number of molecules. Getting? That is, whatever the gases, its equal volume will always have same number of molecules of gases. Now again we can say the volume of gas is directly proportional to number of mole of gas, and 1 mole of gas at standard temperature. Now according to NCERT, we have to find out what is the meaning of standard temperature and standard pressure. The standard temperature is 0 degree Celsius, or this is called 273.15 Kelvin temperature, and the standard pressure is considered as 1 bar. What is it? 1 bar. Okay, or this is called 10 to power 5 Pascal. So at that temperature and that pressure, 1 mole of any of the gas, okay, whether it is H2, N2, O2, any of the gas, will always occupy the fixed volume 22.7 liter, which will increase or decrease if there is change in temperature and the pressure. So simply we can say V is directly proportional to N. Here N is number of mole, V is volume of the gas at constant temperature and pressure. Now relation between molar mass, now there is number of mole, therefore we can also include one more concept, molar mass, and now if there is number of mole, then we can also relate it with density. So what is the relationship between molar mass and density? So student, we can relate it using Avogadro's law. Like by the Avogadro's law, volume is directly proportional to number of mole. So volume is equal to K into N, where K is what? Constant. Now student, you know that what is number of mole? Number of mole is called weight of substance. Weight of substance upon molar mass of substance. So we can place the value of N, V is equal to K into W upon M. Now you know that M is equal to K into W upon V. W means weight upon volume. Now students, you know weight upon volume is known as what? Density. Therefore we can say M, okay, that is M is equal to K into density. Now K is a proportionality constant, so we can simply one more definition find. What is that? So we can say that density of a gas is directly proportional to the molar mass of gas. So as the molar mass will increase, the density is also getting increased.